I went also to the Tubod bridge kanina. So, yun yung umapaw na bridge yung Iligan River, dun umapaw sa Tubod Bridge. So, our head of Oplan Contrabaha, si Undersecretary Kalima is here. And we will immediately mobilize Oplan Contrabaha in Iligan as per the President's directive. And we will prioritize two things. Number one, yung massive desilting and dredging of the Iligan River beginning sa outfall, palabas ng dagat para mabilis na lumabas yung tubig sa dagat, and then we will dredge up from downstream from the mouth of the river sa dagat all the way going up. No, but apart from that, there is a existing drainage master plan for Iligan City. No, and we will start to implement that already in 2027. But the immediate action natin, we will dredge, we will desilt, we will make the capacity of the river bigger para mas mabilis ang paglabas ng water from the river out into the ocean. Ang problema kasi, medyo na perfect storm tayo nung weekend. Nagkaroon ng high tide at mayroong tubig na nanggaling sa river. So nagsulubong ang tubig galing sa river at yung high tide, naipit ang tubig dun sa bandang Tubod Bridge. And that caused the massive flooding. So we will have to do two things. We will have to dredge, so to allow more capacity. Then we will have to start planning for the full implementation of the Drainage Master Plan in 2027. Kasi unfortunately, wala tayong pondo for flood control this year. Pero that does not mean that we don't do anything in 2026. So we will have to do what we can in 2026. And that is dredging, clearing, and declogging of the dredges.
Do we have timeline on the dredging?
Ngayon na, we will start now. No, I told Undersecretary Kalima to send the team over already immediately after we leave, and then we start planning, and hopefully we can start mobilizing equipment and resources as early as DE next week. Anyway, I'll instruct the DE. DE, let's start mobilizing yung Oplan Contrabaha natin as early as next week.
Yes, sir.
At least yung clearing natin ng yung clearing equipment natin.